Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGLD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. As far as today's price movement is concerned, I mean, pretty much pump and dump on thin ice is what I would call this one. Because, yeah, technically speaking, it's not quite a pump and dump, but it's very, very close to being a pump and dump. And a pump and dump just being something where, in my definition, price makes a really impressive move to the upside, and then all of a sudden, within a relatively short amount of time, the price goes back to where it started, or in some cases, even lower. So that's how I would classify it to pump and dump. But the reason I'll call it, on thin ice. So let's actually change this to the color of what ice would be. So the thin ice point going into next week is down here at 33 cents. Why is 33 important? Well, if the price were to come down to this area and then crack below it and then just continue on down, at that point, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that area where it started before the big breakout. And like I said, prices that make a huge move up, so, I mean, we'll establish, yeah, this was a very, very impressive move. And then within the time span of a few days, if it literally goes right back to where it was within that range, like I said, that's the epitome of a pump and up. But to be fair, as far as the big picture is concerned, if the price, comes down to the 33-cent mark, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards, well, from that point of view, you would still have a set of lows right here. You'd have some lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, you would have overall stair steps still having the opportunity to make progress in the upwards direction. Now, I get it if you're some sort of day trader and you bought there, you bought up there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair. I mean, what are you even still doing in the trade? But that's a whole nother video on risk management and stuff like that, so I won't go there. But point being, from the grand scheme of it all, 33 cents, definitely a very important level going forward, because from like I said, literally speaking, if the price cannot hold up above 33, that's putting the price right back to where it was before the big breakout move happened today. But we'll see if the price can build away and chip away at that higher base or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.